Hi guys, I'm a parent with a couple of very adventurous kids, and we love going camping together. While these trips are always full of fun, there are also unexpected situations like scrapes, minor injuries, or other mishaps that can happen. For parents with kids who enjoy outdoor adventures, what do you think are the most important things to prepare before heading out on a family camping trip? Welcome back to National Park. To answer the question in the introduction, please refer to the following content. Not only my opinion, but also many other parents think that basic first aid kits are indispensable for every trip, especially when traveling with children. Therefore, today I'm excited to share the basic first aid kit essentials that my family relies on, and I'm confident they'll be helpful for you as well. In today's video, I'll share my top 5 soft cooler picks, each one tested for durability, insulation, and convenience. Let's find the perfect cooler for your next trip. 1. Best Compact Adventure Medical Kits Ultralight/Watertight. I first discovered the Adventure Medical Kits Ultralight/Watertight point 7 through Chris Sharma, the famous rock climber, who uses it for his lightweight outdoor adventures. After trying it on my own trips, I can see why it's a favorite among minimalist hikers. The kit is super compact and lightweight, easy to toss in your bag, and the watertight case keeps everything dry, even in wet conditions. It covers all the basics with good quality supplies, making it perfect for short hikes or as an emergency kit in your car or work bag. However, it's minimal, so for longer trips or home use, I'd recommend a more comprehensive kit like the Johnson & Johnson All-Purpose. Overall, it's a solid, compact backup for when you're on the move. 2. Best for hiking. General Medi Mini First Aid Kit. I recently used this compact first aid pouch during my hiking trip in the Rocky Mountains, and it really impressed me. The durable, tear-resistant case is water-resistant, so I didn't have to worry about it getting damaged in the wet, winter conditions. It holds 92 essential items, including an emergency blanket, cleaning swabs, and bandages, perfect for minor injuries that may occur on the trail. The Mini First Aid Handbook was also a lifesaver, offering quick guidance for handling different situations. I love how convenient it is to attach the pouch to my bag using the included carabiner, making it super easy to carry along wherever I go, whether hiking, commuting, or on a road trip. 3. Top rated on Amazon. Surviveware 238 PCS Comprehensive Premium Survival First Aid Kit. Curious about a top-rated product on Amazon, I decided to try the Surviveware 238-piece first aid kit. Although it's not the cheapest option, I wanted to see if the quality matched the glowing reviews. After putting it to use, I can confidently say it's been incredibly practical and well worth the investment. The bright red bag stands out in an emergency, and its lightweight design makes it easy to carry anywhere, whether at home, in the office, or on outdoor adventures. The kit is thoughtfully organized with clear compartments, so you can quickly grab what you need. It includes all the basics, such as medical scissors, safety pins, bandages, and butterfly closure strips. The only downside is that it doesn't include medications or specialized items, so you might need to add those yourself. I found it to be perfect for hiking, biking, and keeping in the car. It attaches easily to my car's headrest, ensuring it's always within reach when needed. After comparing it to other similarly sized kits, I'm glad I chose this one and would highly recommend it as an excellent, reliable first aid kit. 4. Top rated on Amazon. Surviveware Small. My family absolutely loved the Surviveware 238 PCS Comprehensive Premium Survival First Aid Kit, but found it more practical for home use. So, my wife and I decided to pick up the Surviveware Small for my family's camping trips. This compact, lightweight kit is designed for easy portability, complete with a carabiner to clip onto backpacks or bags, making it ideal for hiking, travel, or any outdoor adventure. Plus, it's waterproof, so I don't have to worry about it getting damaged by rain or wet conditions when I'm out and about. Since it's built for convenience, the kit includes only the essentials for handling minor emergencies. It covers everything from band-aids in various sizes to antiseptic wipes, medical scissors, gloves, and even a CPR mask. It's the perfect, ready-to-go solution for quick fixes on the move. 5. Best for home. Johnson & Johnson All-Purpose. My family has always kept a Johnson & Johnson All-Purpose First Aid Kit around since I was a kid. Even now, every time I visit my parents, it's still there. A comforting reminder of the past. It's the first aid kit I've always trusted, and I'm sure many families feel the same. The kit is packed with all the essentials you could need, various types of band-aids, which my dad used to patch me up when I was little, Neosporin, medical tape, Tylenol, and Benadryl anti-itch cream. These items are perfect for handling minor cuts, scrapes, and burns quickly, especially for kids. It's a solid all-around choice for families or anyone who needs a reliable first aid kit for everyday use. It's also great for keeping around the house, or even as a refill for your smaller travel kits. However, the case itself could use a little upgrade. It feels a bit flimsy, and the plastic latches seem like they might wear out over time. But honestly, the quality of the supplies and the price make up for it. All in all, the Johnson & Johnson All-Purpose First Aid Kit is a tried-and-true choice that I know I'll continue to rely on, and one I definitely recommend for anyone looking for a solid, no-fuss first aid kit. Thank you everyone for watching the video. If you find this content useful, please like, subscribe, and leave a comment about the products you want us to review in the next video.